Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you are all safe and good at your home. Welcome to EVS class. After Saturday and Sunday, you have 2 weekends. So weekends के बाद फिर से we will start to study. Okay? So we have completed our textbook, our chapter types of plants. And in types of plants we learned about types of plants and parts of plants. Okay, there are 5 types of plants. One is trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. We also learned about parts of plants like root, stem, flower, fruit, leaf and seed. So we all have also body parts like eyes, nose, ears, hands. So plants also have their parts. And so we have completed our chapter and exercises in textbook, question answers, unscrambled words, hard words. So today we are going to do exercises in worksheet. Okay, so I hope you have all got your worksheet. So this is your EVS worksheet. Okay, this is PA1 syllabus, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4. Types of plants, uses of plants, animals that helps us, wild animals. Here also have index. So we have to write here types of plants. So today's date is 26 and today is Monday. So we have to mention here today's date. Okay, 26/4. Okay. So in worksheet and in notebook we must follow index. Okay, so shall we start, children? Chapter 1, types of plants. Write here today's date. So fill up the blanks. Okay, day 1, fill in the blanks. So first is trees have blank and blank stems. So trees have, क्या है, trees कैसे रहते हैं, strong and woody stems. So we have to write here strong and woody stems. Okay. So second one is blank is an example of shrubs. So shrubs के कितने examples थे? Rose, tulsi and hibiscus. Okay. So I have given many examples of shrubs, but you have to remember only 2 examples. Okay. So आपको ज़्यादा burden नहीं होगा. So यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे हम? As you wish. If you want to write here rose or tulsi or hibiscus, you write here. Okay. So I will write here rose. Okay. So third one is blank is an example of herbs. So herbs examples are mint and coriander, spinach. These are grass. These are all herbs example. So what should we write here? So as you wish. Okay. जो आपको सही लगे वो आप लिख सकते हो. ओके, आई विल राइट हियर मिंट. ओके, इज इट ओके चिल्ड्रन? ओके, सो नाउ नेक्स्ट मूव टू राइट ट्रू और फॉल्स. ओके, सो हमें यहाँ ट्रू और फॉल्स लिखना है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन इज रोज इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ट्री. इज इट ट्रू? Can we check in textbook? So take out your textbook. We will check the sentence. Is it true or wrong? See, where is rose? Yes, rose is here. So rose is example of shrubs, not trees. है ना? So we have to write here false. So next one, banyan tree is called shrubs. Is it true, children? No. Why? So let we check in textbook. Tree is banyan. Yes, banyan is tree, example of tree, not shrubs. Okay, this one is also false. Okay, so next move to match the following. Okay, so column A and column B. First one is tree. Tree, how we identify this is tree? They have strong stem. They have strong and woody stem called trunk. Such plants are called trees. So trees का आंसर है strong stem. Trees have strong stem. Okay. Now shrubs. Shrubs कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे? Shrubs have woody stem. Shrubs are small plants with woody stems. So we have to write here C. Second का आंसर है C. Okay. Now move to third one. Herbs. Herbs कैसे रहते हैं? Herbs are small plants with soft and green stem. Because herbs have green stems, but shrubs and trees have brown stems. है ना? I have already explained in chapter. So herbs have soft and green stem. Okay. So third answer is D. Okay. So next move to last one. Last one is lotus. Lotus, which type of plant is this? Can you remember? Yes, this is water plant. Lotus and lily grows in water and it is called water plants or aquatic plants. We called it aquatic plants. Okay. Am I right, children? Okay. So fourth answer is A. Okay. So जब भी मैं वर्कशीट में कभी भी कहीं पे भी एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ तो आप मेरे साथ ही लिखिए तो आपको मज़ा आएगा. मैं फिर से आपको बोल रही हूँ, आप मेरे साथ ही लिखेंगे तो आपका टाइम भी बचेगा लर्न करने के लिए और बार बार पॉज करके आपको लिखने का भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. ओके तो जब भी आप लिखेंगे वर्कशीट या टेक्स्ट बुक में जो एक्सरसाइजेस मेरे साथ ही लिखिए प्लीज़. ओके सो अभी हम डे 2 पे जाएंगे. ओके फिल अप द ब्लैंक्स. सो यहाँ पे 3 फिलअप्स है. ओके शैल वी स्टार्ट. ओके क्लाइंबर्स हैव blank stems. Climbers have strong, woody या weak stem. Yes, climbers have weak stem. Am I right, children? So shall we check in the textbook? So okay. See, what is here? Climbers. Okay. This is climbers. Some plants have weak stems. These plants are called climbers. So I am right. You know. So second one is money plant is example of. मनी प्लांट्स कौन सा एग्जाम्पल है? श्रब, हर्ब, क्रीपर्स या क्लाइंबर्स? कम ऑन गेस चिल्ड्रन. आप मुझे आपके आंसर सुनाई नहीं देता है फिर भी आप गेस कर रहे हो. ओके सो आपका गेस राइट है. So money plant is example of climbers. Am I right, children? Yes. Next, move to third one, watermelon. Watermelon is example of, maybe watermelon is example of trees. Am I right? No, I am wrong, because watermelon is example of creepers. Okay? Shall we check in textbook? Okay. So, find out where is watermelon. Okay. See, watermelon. Watermelon is example of creepers. Okay. So, next move to, again write true or false. Okay. So, money plant is an example of climber. Is it true? Yes, this is true, because answers are same here. So this is true. So we have to write here true. Flower is the part that produces fruits. Is it true? Yes, it is true. I show you in textbook. See here. Flower, it is the part that produces fruits. Okay. So this is also true. So next, third one. Seed is that part from which a baby plant grows. Is it true or wrong? Yes, this is also true. Why this is true? Okay, I will check in textbook. Okay, seed. Where is seed? See, seed. It is that part from which a baby plant grows. It is present in the fruits. Okay, so we have completed page number 1 and next move to page number 2. Okay. So next, match the following. Exercise C. Okay. So shall we start? क्या बोर हो रहे हो? So थोड़ी देर ब्रेक ले ले. ओके. सो जब मैं थर्सडे आपको ऑनलाइन क्लास लूँगी तो आप अपनी जो सैटरडे संडे आपने कुछ किया है, कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ किया है या आप किसी में इंटरेस्टेड है लाइक म्यूज़िक एंड डांस, तो मेरे साथ आप शेयर कीजिए. ओके. तो उस दिन हम थर्सडे जब ईवीएस क्लास रहता है उस दिन हम कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग बातें करेंगे. ओके. स्टडी के बारे में नहीं, क्योंकि पूरा दिन पूरा वीक आप स्टडी करते हो, है ना. सो उस दिन हम ऑनलाइन में ऐसे ही कुछ बातें शेयर करेंगे. ओके. सो शैल वी स्टार्ट अगेन. मैच द फॉलोइंग. ओके. सो क्लाइंबर. क्लाइंबर क्या होती है? क्लाइंबर का एग्जाम्पल क्या है? ग्रेप वाइन. सो वी हैव टू राइट हियर बी. क्लाइंबर्स का एग्जाम्पल. तो स्ट्रॉबेरी इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ क्रीपर्स. ओके. सो सीड a part of baby plant. So D option. Okay. So last one is root. Beetroot, this is vegetable and this is example of root vegetable. Okay. It will comes on second chapter. That time I will explain you about vegetables and how we eat root vegetables, stem vegetables, leafy vegetables. Okay. तो फोर्थ वन का आंसर है सी. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट मूव टू fill up the blanks. Okay. So green plants make their blank food. What is the answer, children? Green plants make their own food. Okay. So they need light, air, water to making food. Okay. So second one is green plants need light. Air word is already mentioned here. So what we write next? Water. Okay. For making food. Okay. So third one is sugar cane is example of sugar cane. It will come on next chapter, chapter 2, uses of plants. That time I will explain you. Okay. So sugar cane is example of stems. Okay. So here we have to write stems. Okay. So spinach is example of vegetables. What? Leafy vegetables. Okay. So spinach is leafy vegetables. Spinach, fenugreek, coriander, these are all called leafy vegetables. Okay. So next, match the following. Okay. Leaf. First one, leaf. Leaf का क्या work है? Leaf is the flat green part that makes food for plants. Is it right? Yes. Leaf is the flat green part that makes food for the plant. Okay. So कहाँ है? First one का answer C. So we have to write here C. Okay. Second one, flower. Flower, it is the part that produce fruits. Where it is? Yes, the part that produce fruits. Am I right, children? Check it in your textbook. Third one is fruit. What is the work of fruit? It is the part that has seeds. So third का answer है D. And the last one, plants store extra food in roots. Okay. So already I explained this, how root works to plants. Okay. It is the part that fixes the plant to the ground. It also takes in water and other things like nutrients from soil. Okay. So root is the main part of plant. Without root, plant cannot stand straight. Okay. So now write following question answer in short. So in worksheet we have some short question answers and some long question answers. Okay. What are trees? So already we have written in notebook. There are keywords. So उसी का ये सब answer आएंगे. Okay. So big and tall plant with a strong and woody stem trunk is called a tree. Okay. So second one, write 2 examples of herbs. Examples of herbs are mint and coriander plants. Okay. So third one is write 2 examples of creepers. Okay. So examples of creepers are watermelon and strawberry. Right. Write 2 examples of shrubs. Examples of shrubs are rose and tulsi plants. So last question is, what is a flower? It is the part that produces fruits. Okay. So next move to exercise D. Write following question answer in long. Okay. So what are shrubs? Write 2 examples of shrubs. Some plants are small, they have woody stems. Such plants are called shrubs. Examples: tulsi and hibiscus. Okay. Second question: what are herbs? Write 2 examples of herbs. Some small plants have soft stems. Such plants are called herbs. Examples: mint and coriander. What are climbers? Write 2 examples of climbers. Some plants have weak stems and they need the support of other plants, walls, or sticks to grow upright. Such plants are called climbers. Examples: मनी प्लांट एंड ग्रेप वाइन. ओके, ये क्वेश्चन आंसर आप पॉज करके लिख लीजिए. ओके, बिकॉज दीज आर लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, सो pause the video, then you have to start to write. Okay, next activity base. Okay, tick the right correct answer. This is general question answer. Okay, a tree gives us fruits, flowers, wood and many other things. What value do you learn from trees? हमने क्या सीखा इस चैप्टर में? बिकॉज ट्रीज गिव्स अस फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, मेडिसिन्स, ऑयल्स. ओके, इस सब के बारे में हम सेकेंड चैप्टर में जानेंगे. तो क्या है ट्री? ये सब देता है. तो हमें भी ऐसे रहना चाहिए. कैसे? टू बी सेल्फिश, टू शेयर थिंग्स वी हैव, नॉट शेयर एनीथिंग एट ऑल. क्या करना चाहिए हमें? टू शेयर थिंग्स वी हैव. ओके, जब हमारे क्लास में किसी के पास पेंसिल नहीं रहती है, वो भूल के नहीं लाया रहते, तो हमें उनकी मदद करनी चाहिए ना, पेंसिल देनी चाहिए ना. हमें सेल्फिश नहीं बनना है और शेयर नहीं करना है, ऐसे भी नहीं बोलना है. ओके, अगर हमारे पास 2 पेन्स है, किसी को ज़रूरत है, तो वी मस्ट हेल्प देम. ओके, so now write shrubs, herbs, creepers and climbers. There are 4 types of plants here. So I have already mentioned names ताकि आप अच्छे से आइडेंटिफाई कर सके, बिकॉज प्लांट्स देख के आइडेंटिफाई नहीं होता है. ओके, दिस इज हिबिस्कस. हिबिस्कस इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ shrubs, है ना. So we have to write here shrubs. तो स्ट्रॉबेरी कौन सा एग्जाम्पल है? क्रीपर्स. सो स्ट्रॉबेरी इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ क्रीपर्स. नेक्स्ट कोरिएंडर इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ हर्ब्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट मनी प्लांट कौन सा एग्जाम्पल है? क्लाइंबर्स. ओके, so next move to last one. Write parts of plant. Okay, this is plant. so हम इसके parts लिखेंगे. फर्स्ट पार्ट क्या दिख रहा है आपको? लीफ. तो यहाँ पे हमें लीफ लिखना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्या है? यहाँ पे फ्रूट है. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमें फ्रूट लिखना है. इसमें देखिए मैंने बर्ड भी ऐड किया है, आपको दिख रहा है? दिस इज बर्ड. फूल होने से पहले बर्ड बनती है. ओके, वो हमारे टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं है, लेकिन मैंने वर्कशीट में मेंशन कर दिया है. दिस इज रूट. ओके, एंड दिस इज फ्लावर दैट प्रोड्यूस फ्रूट्स. ओके, सो लास्ट वन इज स्टेम. ओके, सो हो सके तो आप अपने आप ये मेंशन कीजिए जो पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट्स हैं. ओके, जस्ट वीडियो देख के आप अपने आप भी लिख सकते हो. ओके, सो वी हैव ऑल्सो completed worksheet. So tomorrow we will start new chapter and the chapter name is uses of plants. Okay, the chapter name is uses of plants. So in that chapter we are going to learn how plants helps us. Okay, so do your work at home, be safe, keep learning, have a good day children. Bye everyone, take care.